I've been away for a little while. I've been filming every day, but I think I'm back. I had a whole bunch of stuff come up recently and it just made it completely impractical to try and edit these videos. I've been traveling around for work. We're gonna get the tube back because I'm actually kind of tired. Maya got robbed. And on top of this bin is apparently where Maya's driver's license was found, on top of here like this. My granddad went back into the hospital. I'm now at the hospital, it's 3 a.m. The lease on this workshop expired. And I felt like I didn't have any more seconds in the day. So this had to rest. I've still filmed it all, so the whole year will still be published. Anyway, back to it.
Back to it.
I'm just in the process of getting all of the footage out of the camera and putting it into the computer. I've got like a whole bunch of days that need to be, you know, I need to put all the data that's, I gotta get it. I'm too tired.
How's
it going?
It's all a dose of manliness, I think you're rolling crocs.
I did, yeah. I need help lifting something. Feeling strong?
Always. Never not.
Okay, get in, Warren. Come here. Right, this is recording. See the little red bit means it's recording?
Yeah.
So you're going to be my cameraman. You're going to film everything, all right?
Okie dokie.
All right, so you hold that. Here you go. I'll put that screen around so you can see what you're looking at. You hold that, you got it?
Yeah.
You come down, you're going to film. Right, you go behind your dad, and you film your dad's bum coming up the stairs, all right? Ready, Chief?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
Yeah, it's actually not too heavy.
Awkward, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I can get that into the truck now tomorrow. I'll be able to lift that on my own into the truck, that's fine.
Sound.
Appreciate it. Good work, Warren.
Teamwork.
Thanks.
Well done, little man.
Thanks.
So what's next?
Home, I think. And weekly shop. Dad duties.
Right, shall we roll?
All right, fellas.
Thanks, mate.
See you later. Cheers.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I'll drive.
I use this stuff called Osmo oil to finish all my furniture. Look how gross it's gone. These are all the layers that have dried in the can. It's really gross. Ugh. See the skin on that? Maya's just around the corner at Cousin Norman's. They've got like some sort of little car boot sale event thing, I think. So let's just swing around there and quickly visit them. Hey bud, alright? I don't know what it is with the like car boot sales and flea markets, even Gumtree and Facebook, that kind of thing. You used to be able to get really good stuff. Like I used to go a lot about 10 years ago and you get loads of good tools, materials, there's like interesting objects to look at. My light just fell down. But now it's like mostly just, I don't want to sound mean, but the stuff that they're selling now, I just don't, it's just not, you know? I'd throw it away. Oh yeah, we also went to this like fundraising party in that same shed. That was pretty cool. Gonna try and turn it into like an arts centre.
I'll cut through the glass with my finger, rolling spotlight.
That'll be coming a bit later in the vlog because that was yesterday for me and I'm like a month ahead now. The weather's been so hot lately that my O has fallen down. From the sides we have hot fod, sulfod, and my E's drooping too. Can you see that? See how the E is slightly lower down? My black glue is melted in this hot weather, so I'll probably have to stick this back up in a few days. been like crazy mega hot the last few days. Last night was almost unbearable. But finally, it seems to have subsided. And now we've got this nice cool weather, which is my favourite kind. I'm working on my furniture in the hallway. Don't tell my landlord. I've really been missing making daily videos though. It's really the highlight of, well, every day. The satisfaction when you get to click publish every single day is just something really exciting, you know?